Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Wildflower Birthday Specialty Designer Series paper, along with the Birthday Celebration stamp set that is in this suite with this paper. And we're also going to be bringing in the Wildflower Celebrations stamp set. This is found online in the scrapbooking brochure. It is part of a scrapbooking workshop kit. Well, it's not part of it, but it can be purchased in addition to the scrapbooking workshop kit because it really goes along with it very well. So we're going to go over some buzzworthy business before we get started on our project. First, we have our Daisy Daydreams paper pumpkin kit. It's going to make 9 cards. Lost Lagoon is going to be the stamping spot. And this kit is going to come with an additional free stamp set, okay? We have our Spring is in the Air add-on dies for $12 that coordinate with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits. And there's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our monthly host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up! And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Speaking of freebies, we still have celebration going on. Celebration is the time of year when you place a qualifying order, you get to earn free products out of our celebration brochure. Also, when your order reaches $300 or you collect orders from your friends and it totals $300, you're going to get $30 more in Stampin' Rewards. Also, there's a join special. When you purchase the starter kit for $99 plus tax, you're going to get to choose $125 worth of product. During celebration, they're going to add some more to your kit for you. You have 2 options to choose from. You have option number 1 that comes with an exclusive stamp set and 2 packs of Stampin' Right markers. You get to choose the color family of your choices. If you don't want that option, that's a $91 value, you can choose the $30 more in free product to add to your starter kit. So that'll be $155 worth of product for $99 plus tax, and your shipping is going to be free. Okay. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm just asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included in that price. However, during celebration, I'm having a great promotion. When you purchase $100 or more in product and you use my host code, I'm going to send you one of these boxes for free. Now, if your order is $150 or more, don't worry about using that host code because I don't want you to lose out on your Stampin' Rewards, okay? And I'll still send you your box for free. And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is some stamping. So I have some designer series paper here. Look at this beautiful paper, this specialty paper. We're going to do some stamping on this paper. This is 5 1/8 by 3 7/8, and we're going to stamp on it in Blueberry Bushel. And we're going to stamp Celebrate. This is from the scrapbooking brochure stamp set. What is it? They're both, the names are so similar. Wildflower Celebrations, I think. I just told you and I forgot already. No, birthday, Wildflower Celebrations. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So we're going to stamp this right here at the bottom. Just like this. Hopefully that is straight. Woo! Cut it close, didn't I? Oh, that's all we're going to stamp on that part. So then we're going to get a piece of basic white that is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4, and this is going to be for our inside, and we're going to stamp Happy Birthday on the inside of this in the same color. So I'm going to stamp down my birthday, and I'm going to stamp Happy right here, just like that. And now that is all of our stamping done. So we can start getting this card together. So I'm gonna get some liquid glue and add some designer series paper to the edge here. And it is 3/4 by 3 1/2. Well, it will be 3 1/2 once we cut it off. I'm gonna get some scissors and just trim this up. Then we're going to get some Stampin' Seal. Oop, I moved it. Be careful to let your paper dry. That's why I usually let it dry. And I moved it before I cut it. How did I do that? Okay. Let's put some Stampin' Seal on this. We're going to add this to some blueberry bushel. This blueberry bushel is 5 by 3 3/4. And that's our inside done. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the inside of our card base. And our card base is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and it is in soft sea foam. And we're going to, ooh, I need to change my trimmer blade. I keep saying that and I haven't done it yet. See all the little fuzzies? I'm going to put that right there. Okay. Let's get my bone folder instead of doing that with my fingers. Burnish that score line down. Okay. Now, we have some more blueberry bushel. This one is 5 1/4 by 4. And we're going to add our designer series paper to that. So let's get some glue on here. I'm just going to place this on here with that small border. Trying to make sure it's straight and evenly placed. And this, it looks like I might have cut something uneven. Okay. Then we have a piece of blueberry bushel. This one is 1 5/8 by 5 1/4. And we're going to just lay that across here. So let's put some glue on that. And I want to put this just slightly above our sentiment down there. And this is 5 1/4, so it's going to go from cardstock to cardstock, not the designer series paper. Okay, so we have that. And then, let me make sure nothing's overhanging. We're going to get some tear and tape ready because I have some of the gold open weave trim. And we're going to layer that right over our blueberry bushel. And I just squeezed a bunch of glue out. Let me make sure this is going right in the middle. Just like that. We're going to put a piece of tape here and a piece of tape here. Get my bone folder. Burnish that down. Okay, then we're going to get, let me do this. Just going to put a little bit of adhesive on the top and bottoms of that because I have some of the gold twisted thread, and I want to put this right along here. See, I knew it. We got to move this up. Give me just a second. Okay, so we have that in that piece of Stampin' Seal we put on the back, and we'll put this piece right over here. Come on, lay down. Then we have another one. That we're gonna put at the top. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more tear and tape. Let me rip this backing off. And I'm gonna put more tear and tape because that's not holding like I want it to. With that, just gonna put it across the trim as well as the twisted thread there. There we go. That's better. Now we can add some liquid glue. And we'll get this put onto our card base before we move on. Making sure we don't put it on upside down. Ooh, ooh, scoot over. I was thinking it was only an 1/8 inch difference. Okay, so now I have some pretty and pink pieces that are 1.5 by 1 5/8. I have 3 of them. And I marked on the back the arrows because the measurements are so close. I want to make sure I put them on correctly. So we're going to have these on here like so. And I'm going to put some liquid glue on the back. We're going to set this one right about there. Ooh, right about there. Can't even see the gold. For some reason in my head, I thought that was going to show. Oh, goodness. Why did I think that trim was going to be showing? I don't know. I guess it does show through a little bit. Come on. We got to get these to stay down. So now I have pieces from the designer series paper from the laser cut pieces. We have these little cupcakes. And I've already gone ahead and put dimensionals on the back of them. And we're just going to put these right in the middle of our little pretty and pink rectangles here. I almost called them squares, but they're just slightly not squares. Just slightly. Then I have these little flowers that we're going to add to those. So this one is the peach pie. So we're going to add it to the one that has no peach pie on it. We're going to put that right down here in the corner. Then this one is the petal pink, not petal pink, pretty and pink. So we're going to add it to the cupcake that has no pretty and pink on it. And that one. Then this one is the pool party. So we'll add it to the one that has no pool party. Just like that. And all of the little blue leaves are going a separate direction. Okay, so now all we have to do is add our bling. So for the bling, I have the low profile dots. These can be found in the online store because these are online exclusives, and we're going to use the gold dots on here. It comes in petal pink and gold. So we're going to use we're going to use 3 of these gold dots. I'm going to use 2 big ones, and if I can pick it up, 1 small one right here. Do I want it down here? Yeah, I'm gonna put it right there, just like that. And that is our card done. Isn't that cute? You can just barely see that trim behind there, but I think it's cute. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.